After 30 years of practicing in Houston, representing people in all types of situations, I've seen a lot of problems and a lot of mistakes that people make. So I want to talk briefly about common mistakes that can be avoided if at all possible. Mistake number one is waiting too long, and that can apply to getting an attorney in the first place, or waiting too long to go see a doctor, or waiting too long to get that follow-up appointment. You know, time is of the essence. Trusting the insurance company, that is a mistake. Do not give recorded statements to them unless you have an attorney who has prepared you as to how to give a good statement and the types of things you're going to be asked about so that you do a good job. If you go into it not knowing these things and not having an attorney, you will be taken advantage of and they will use it all against you. Other things to avoid that can be used against you are posting things on social media. When you have an injury claim, your life becomes an open book, and they will look for things that they can use as leverage to not pay your claim fairly. So avoid posting anything on social media about your case is probably the best advice. Not getting the contact information from any witnesses. If somebody was nice enough to pull over and say, hey, I saw what happened, you need to know what their name and phone number and how to get a hold of them. Following a crash, if there's a way to get a video of it, and this is something you have to do quickly, is go to any adjacent businesses or homeowners that have cameras and see if they've got a recording of the event. These typically aren't saved for very long, and if you don't get it within the first couple weeks, you're probably never going to get it, and that can be the evidence that makes all of the difference. Lastly, avoiding any delays in getting an attorney and ensuring that you hire the right type of an attorney. Getting a board-certified personal injury attorney who knows the deadlines, knows the law, and can really explain to you what to expect going forward and help manage your injury claim to get you the best possible result in a timely manner, because there are deadlines that apply, and if you wait too long and miss some of those deadlines, it can have a real impact on the result and could take a great case down to being a not so great result. So it's in your best interest to act sooner rather than later. Get the information you need from somebody that you can trust, who has experience and the credentials that will give you the representation that you deserve.